Hello and welcome to today's episode of TSARP. I'm your host, Andrew Weir, and today our co-hosts are Sam and Steven. What was that?
It's Sam.
So, hi, I'm here, I think.
I think Sam's tapping on his mic or something. But yeah, so today is the 165th episode. Can you believe it?
Wow.
Wow.
I was saying to Steven, Sam and Steven, I was trying to calculate, like what episode we will be on, by the end of the year, and I believe we'll pass 300. We should, because there's like 180 days of school. So yeah, that would be crazy. That would be crazy to say. Hello and welcome to the 300th episode of TSARP. But
Wow.
yeah. Also, I got the intro music listening. You all heard it. Mr. Ferrara heard it. That was his suggestion. He wanted the old one with that music in because it was shorter. For people that aren't watching it live, they don't want to have to sit through it. So, yep, so I fixed that. And you all can listen to the beautiful sounds made by Steven.
All right.
What was that called? For anyone that doesn't remember, including me. It was, I'll get it. Steven. I forget. Beatbox,
What?
right? Beatbox. That was
Yeah.
it. Yeah, it's a cool program. You can just make like really cool little sounds in it, like little music. I'll share my screen, but this is it. That's how we made that, or that's how Steven made it. So you guys can make whatever in it. We had a whole segment on it before if you guys want to go back and watch that. But our topics today, as you see in the title, are Open AI event coming soon, and today was Nintendo Direct, so there's a bunch of Mario games coming soon, so we can't wait to talk about that. And of course, Sam had to follow up his game from yesterday. And
It's even more painful.
yeah. I'm so excited, really.
I don't think that's a good thing.
No, not at all. So yeah. Oh, and there's Sam. You told me about this. A new scratch guide, I believe, to kind of walk you through it. Right? They released like a whole PDF, so maybe we'll take a look
Yeah.
at that. But yeah, so OpenAI is having their first developer conference on November 6th, right, in San Francisco. Yeah, and it's in person, which is actually pretty cool. Obviously, oh wait, I gotta do the thing where we tell them that we should be there. OpenAI. What's the CEO name? Is this Sam Altman? Is that him? Yeah, Sam.
me.
Yeah, it is you, Sam. But I'm not talking to you, Sam. Sam Altman. You should invite us to OpenAI's first developer conference. We should
Yeah.
totally be there. But yeah, so it's November 6th, and apparently they have a ton of different stuff set up. Yeah, so the registration's open if you want to go. Or this was in the coming weeks, but this came out on like the 6th, so it's probably open. And you can also live stream some of it too, so if you can't be there. Yeah, Sam Altman said here, we're looking forward to showing our latest work to enable developers to build new things. So I assume they're going to be talking about stuff like plugins and all that different stuff that developers can create, because now there's a whole plugin system where developers can create their own stuff, and that doesn't just go for ChatGPT, probably also the APIs for GPT-4 and Dolly and all that stuff, so that would be cool to see. We'll definitely tell you about that when it happens, but it is a while away. That's what, over a month and a half, probably, month and a half. Quick math. But yeah, so that will be exciting. I can't wait to see what they really talk about. And they're always releasing new things. Over the summer, we didn't get to talk about it, but I got ChatGPT Plus. I said I was probably going to do it. I did it. We never did like a whole episode on it. I know we said that, when I get it, or when one of us gets it, if we get it, we'll do like a whole episode on it. We didn't because it was summer and like we weren't doing a bunch of stuff. But yeah, so it's my review is it's good. Maybe not worth the money. It is a lot of money. It's like $20 a month. But like you get all the plugins and stuff. So hopefully we'll get some info on that at the developer conference.
I have something to say.
Yeah, go ahead.
I think we should make a very, very long OpenAI video.
Okay.
Just on OpenAI.
Just on it. Just on all its things.
Yeah.
All its really epic things. Yeah. Yeah. I think we should have TSARP AI. Eric AI. What if we make a website where it's just a ChatGPT API, but Eric is the one like saying the thing. So it's like a PNG and a little text bubble and a text field, and it just uses the API, but it makes Eric look like he's saying everything. Maybe
That's
overkill,
that's
but it
good,
is
yeah.
funny.
That'd be crazy.
Yeah, oh, a lot of Eric news. I feel like I don't want to flood this channel with just stuff about Eric because people don't care half the time, but we care. And half the time people don't know what we're talking about. But Mr. Ferrara is working on creating a basketball hoop challenge where if you pay Eric bucks to throw no, it's not even a basketball. It's just a ball into the hoop from a distance, not that close. And if you make it, you get candy. Sounds cool. He made it a
I
few
almost got
times. You almost got it. Yeah, you were close. I didn't even attempt it. I didn't want to embarrass myself. Maybe I'll practice at home and then I'll come in and I'll do so well you won't even know. You wouldn't see it coming. Yeah, so like we said in the title, more Mario games. That's really Steven's department. He's our resident gamer, and we have our resident scratcher, Sam.
I like games.
And I don't know. What am I good at? I don't know. I
Andrew's
talk
just
about
everything.
AI. What did you call me the other day? The Mr. Beast of TSARP?
Oh
Yeah.
yeah.
I think we should all. Yeah, Mr. Beast of TSARP. I feel like, any YouTube channel, whatever host, I'm the Casey Neistat of TSARP. Or yeah, exactly. The Dan TDM of TSARP. But yeah, so I think so I watched some of the Nintendo Direct. I was in school paying attention to my schoolwork. Mr. Ferrara quoted me on this the other day, but I technically did say, what was that, the first episode, when I said coding comes before schoolwork, and this kind of counts, I guess. But I didn't. I didn't watch it in school. But it was cool. I watched it a little after the fact, and I saw on Twitter all the things they announced. But Steven, do you want to kind of go over some of the games that they announced and other things?
Yeah, so there were some pretty cool games that I saw. There's ones like the Peaches, what was it?
Oh
I
yeah,
forget.
there was there
was a game
Princess
all
Peach
around
Showtime.
Peach.
Yeah, Princess Peach
I think so.
Showtime, I think. Yeah. Yeah, just a ton of like different stuff. There are a ton of Mario games, like specifically Mario. Mario and Donkey Kong is getting remade for the Switch.
Oh yeah.
That's cool. The Peach game. So they had kind of said there was a Peach game coming, but now it's got a name. It's Princess Peach Showtime. They also apparently it's coming in March. Also. Another look at Splatoon 3. I know, I forget. We had a talk with someone that watches TSARP in the chat one day was talking about Splatoon 3. But yeah, so that's cool. I was never a big Splatoon fan. I never actually I did play it. I gotta say that. But hopefully, or it looks like that there will be a third one coming in 2024, spring of 2024. And apparently Paper Mario's getting another
Andrew.
remake. Yep.
Small mistake. Splatoon 3, the expansion pass is coming like spring 2024.
Oh, okay. Style single player expansion.
Yeah.
Wait, so there was two, and then the third one came out.
And
Yeah.
then they released the third one.
Yes, like I said, I don't play it.
I think it's cool they brought back Tomb Raider.
Oh yeah, that is cool. And actually I played Splatoon. So for some background, I got into the game, right? It was one of those like Nintendo free trials, I think, because you gotta free trial it before you buy it, and luckily I did because I wasn't a big fan. But it seemed cool, but I couldn't even figure out how to actually get into the game. Like I was kind of in the lobby area, and by that time I kind of just got tired of it, and then I stopped playing, and like the free trial was for like a week, so then I canceled it. But it seemed like it would have been a cool game. Maybe I should revisit it if this video gets 1 like. Oh wait, we already passed that. If this video gets 1,000 likes, 1,000, you gotta set it high, Steven. I'll get Splatoon 3. That's the rule. But yeah, so the event seemed.
I get all my art counts.
No, no, no. If you create 1,000 alt accounts, I'll just be impressed and I'll get it. There you go.
Okay.
But yeah, so it seems awesome. The event seemed really cool. A lot of games coming. There was no real news on a Nintendo Switch 2. Sadly, we suspected it. People were saying it might be coming, and really no news on that.
I still want to know what was the idea behind Switch 2, because no Nintendo console has had a second version of it.
That is a good point, right? I mean, there was Wii and Wii U, which wasn't really a second version. It was just kind of like a bad remake. No offense to Nintendo. And the Wii was good.
That bad.
The Wii was good. People didn't like the Wii U. I never had one.
Yeah.
I can't say, but I can say I did like the Wii. But yeah, they never made a second one to really anything besides that. And maybe there would be like a Switch 2 or just a whole new console. But what would the whole new console be? That's the question. Like, what do you like? Is it just, I don't know. Is it gonna be portable, or is it gonna be like, you know, a console like that you have to put down, or will it have the switching mechanism but not be a Switch, right? Like, it could still have that idea.
Weird.
Like, you could call it the Nintendo. The light switch. Yeah. The Nintendo. Yeah, but wow, Steven. What games are going to be on your light switch?
No idea.
Minecraft. Shout out to Irrational Number. We always ask them. We put in like our small Discord server. We don't even advertise that thing. But we say, you know, does anyone have any games you want us to play at the end? Meaning like games you've created. And he always says Minecraft. That's the Minecraft shout out.
We should have a Minecraft stream.
We should. I mean, but that is like the biggest recommendation TSARP has ever gotten. It's make a gaming channel. And my response is always, probably not, because I've had a few in the past, not under the TSARP brand, and they obviously didn't go far because I don't have them anymore, and I don't want it's bad enough when I play Game Jam games and I can't beat those. So if I play like a real game, it would be really bad if I can't beat that. Maybe if TSARP gets enough of a following and it says we want gaming content, then I will do it.
If we get 1,000 subscribers.
At the 1,000, yes, there you go, Sam. Thank you.
I'll make
at
all
the
my alts subscribe.
No, do
gosh.
not. But at the 1,000 subscriber mark, I will 100% make a Minecraft TSARP channel for the memes. It makes sense if you add for the memes. Everyone knows that. Yeah, I think that's really about it. Oh, besides, I always forget about the games. We gotta play your games. So if you watched yesterday's stream, Sam made a game, and I didn't beat it because why would I? It was the alphabet, and it was randomized, and I had to figure out a way to... No, I just had to figure out what random combination the alphabet was in. But how would I know? Because there's like, it's 26 factorial. We went all nerdy and said like how much it is. But yeah, basically the idea is the game is almost impossible, and I wasn't gonna win, and I didn't win, and now I'm scared for today's episode. So today's game. So let me see what it is. Okay.
This should be technically easier, I think.
Guys, you won't believe it. I forgot to finish my game again.
Steven. Maybe.
Don't worry, I'll have it ready for tomorrow.
Okay, last day of the week, Friday. But let's see, new hard game, lol. Let me play it. Oh, there's the code again. OMG, more proof.
Oh, wow.
Guess the random number from 1 to 999,999. All right, that's 999,999, but, you know, whatever. It's easy. So, again,
Andrew, just use your strategy again.
I know, that's what I was gonna say. I'm gonna go with the same strategy. So I'll explain what it is. But what number should I do? I should do 165. That came to me really quickly. Trust me, I didn't plan that. But 165, the episode of TSARP we are on currently that you were watching, unless you are listening to this in the future. But that's gonna be a hard number. Oh, I can just copy and paste it. Okay, here we go. First, 165. Nope. Try again, nerd. 160. Nope. Try again. How long can I
You have
just?
to click the green flag to reset the number.
Oh,
If you're not.
yeah.
Sam, you should make it so it resets every
Yeah,
time.
that would be better
Okay.
because it would be hard. It would be easier, but still.
Exactly.
Okay, so technically, the odds are that so 100, 1 in 999, 99, 99. No, wait. 199,999. Yeah. So what is that? What's that odds? Like, is it? It's not easy. Let's put it
A
that
lot.
way.
It's a big number.
So basically, I'm never doing this. I am not gonna get it. Oh, I just realized what's in the corner here. If you
What?
guys can see it. Oh, yeah, I already forgot. I'm not sharing my screen. You'll see it on stream. But it's in the bottom. It's more projects from Samuel Babiak. If I full screen that, they
Oh.
might kill us.
Oh god.
So maybe
Oh,
not. But
no.
you can see it. It's there if you guys can tell what it is.
Okay, so the number is
Oh, I keep forgetting to click green flag.
999,998,000,001. That's your chances.
Oh, thanks, Steven.
I'll put it in chat.
Well, I guess I better rate this
Yep.
game now then. Well, oh, I should probably share. Right. I should share. Oh, did someone put the link already, or should I do that? I don't know.
I can do it.
Oh, okay.
I think
No.
you should put the link.
Yeah, I'll put the link so you guys can test it. What did we say yesterday if someone got it? That we would interview them? Because I didn't want to
Yeah.
say that they would be on TSARP because that's too good of... that's... oh, no. They can be on TSARP if they get it. They just can't
And our
own
co-host
TSARP.
is some random person who got the number.
Got the number.
In Sam's game.
The question, I mean, actually would probably be actually an interesting interview because we would be like, how did you get it? But no, I
Yeah.
said they just can't own TSARP. I said they can be on, they just can't own it. What if I'm not doing anything sneaky behind the scenes at all. You just keep
You
looking at that screen. Let me just refresh
All right,
quick.
I'm
Don't ask why.
I'm looking.
You're looking, yeah. Nothing wrong is going on. I should yeah. If I reveal this could go bad. Let me just say I'm inspect elementing, but I don't think I can figure anything out.
Wow, what does inspect elementing mean?
It's when
I
you
wonder.
inspect the element. But yeah, I don't think I'm
What element?
figuring
Air?
anything out. No, I see an Oyo bot. That's about it. I was wondering if there was like a windscreen and I could just hack into it and get me there. But no, I can't because guess what? The Scratch team made Scratch and therefore Hatch really secure. So no, I cannot hack into Scratch if you were wondering. So I guess another game goes unbeaten. Yeah.
You have to rate it now.
Oh, right, I gotta rate it. Okay, art, it's better. I gotta admit, like, this text is really good. Love the red, love that font, really so much. Why
Me
isn't...
too.
The one criticism I have, the biggest, is why isn't this Oyobot Eric?
Why is...
Because
why
Eric
is
wouldn't do me like
the
that?
arrow
Is that why?
purple?
Yeah, that's definitely what I meant.
Yeah, because,
Yep.
like, you know, Eric wouldn't be that mean to me.
No, that's definitely why I did that.
Yeah, I figured. I was wondering.
Wow.
But yeah, so the art I give a rating of... It's better. What did I give it yesterday? Like a 2? Probably.
Before.
A 4?
It was like 16 out of 40.
Okay.
Yeah, that's before.
I'll give the rating for the art a 5 out of 10. 5 out of 10.
Yay.
It's definitely better, okay? But the background, it's still just so plain. The arrow is still purple. It isn't Eric. I don't know. It's just a little better. It needs to be a little better. Difficulty, 10 out of 10. Best difficulty ever. Couldn't get worse.
Are you sure? What about yesterday?
True, but physically,
Andrew has a better chance of getting this one.
I still won't get it no matter what. But so that's why it's still a 10 out of 10. What else can I rate it on? The creativity. It's just a remake of yesterday's, but easier. So I give the creativity a 3 out of 10. Yeah, I think that's it. Total that up, and that's your score. It was quite something.
I can't count.
Steven, please don't make your game this hard. And Sam, I assume you're making another one tomorrow.
I'm working. I pretty much done.
Oh, great. Oh, great.
Damn.
I'm excited. By the way, for everyone, the code's here to show that it's not rigged. Though, I mean, this might not be the code, so we don't know.
It is. I can go into.
Yeah, why? You should just make it open source. That would really show us.
Oh yeah, but then you could show the code when you do it, and then you could just get it instantly.
Oh, I see what you mean. There should be a way to show code, but not be able to edit code. Yeah, that should be a feature. Dev,
that idea.
Melora, mentors at Kidoyo. Yeah, that's the feature
Even
we want to
Scratch doesn't
see.
have
Even
this.
Scratch. Scratch doesn't even allow you to not show your code, so they probably wouldn't implement
Yeah.
it. But yeah, so that's it. That's this fantastic game. I had definitely a lot of fun. Not really. No, it was quite a game. You try to keep challenging me, and guess what you do? Because it's this game. But, you know, we will see tomorrow if it is any easier and if I will be able to beat it.
It's gonna be a lot harder.
Oh, thanks. That means a lot. But yeah, so go check out the Lo-Fi stream if you haven't. It's streaming 24/7 all the time on our channel, playing some really cool music and animation. So go check that out. We will be streaming 4:30 tomorrow, 4:30 Eastern every day. Gotta throw the Eastern in there because as we learned a few episodes ago, there's people from like all over that listen to this. It's only actually 63% from the United States, which is kind of awesome. Gotta admit, it's cool that we have people from all over. But yeah,
I don't know if that's true.
that we have people from all over. I think
VPNs exist, Andrew.
True. Maybe
There
someone's
could be
using a
someone-
VPN. I don't. Does that many people? This video is sponsored by. I didn't want to.
NordVPN.
I didn't want to say a real one because now they get ad revenue. Surfshark.
TSARP VPN.
TSARP. TSARP. There you go. TSARP VPN. Anyway, when we get this crazy, it means it's probably time to end off today's episode. Thank you all for watching, and we will see you next time tomorrow, 4:30. Bye bye.
You guys get to see my game.
Yay!
Correct. Bye.
Bye,
Bye-bye.
peoples.